Hey YouTube, I'm back. This is another special that they had at Home Depot. $99 get you a tool, 2 batteries and a charger. It wasn't a bad deal. We could always use the batteries and the chargers because every time I buy one of the big name brand tools, the batteries go dead after a year, then you can't buy the batteries or you can't find the batteries. So I like the Ryobi. I've got a collection of batteries and some tools now. So trying to go all cordless, and you know, I've needed one of these multi-tools. So let's see what's in this box. All right. Empty. I like the trigger. Speed indicator on there. Trigger. Again, operator's manual. You should probably read that first so you know how to use this. Oh, hey, look at this. Was not expecting that. All right, so little detail sander comes with this thing. I like that. Okay. If I figure out how to put the paper on there, I'd be a genius, but there you go. Comes with a interesting little round saw blade here. So there's that. And then there's the plunge cutter. There's that. So I'm going to take this off here. I guess you would put that in there. Let's put this guy on there. And it has different ways for you to put this blade in here. So imagine if you needed to get into a tight area, you could put that in there any way you wanted. Put its lock back in place. Battery, one battery for every one of their tools. That's pretty sweet. Oh, it's got a little light on there so you can see in the dark what you're doing. It works pretty good on cardboard anyways. It has a little lock in here, so if you're working on bigger projects or longer details, you can just lock it in place and then unclip it with your trigger finger there. Adjust the speed for finer detail, especially for if you're using your little sanding pads here. Yeah, pretty neat. Okay, I like it. It'll go on the shelf. Thanks.